Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at top 3 altcoins to buy right now in the month of November as we are ending 2021 very soon. In the past 24 hours, the market is currently green. We are up about 0.5% here. Top gainers in the past 24 hours is going to be XYO, which is up about 45% higher than usual. It is trading at 7 cents currently. Highest volume is going to be Bitcoin at 30.4 billion, Ethereum at 14.8 billion. So you guys can see volume is drastically, going lower and lower these past few days. But we're hoping that over the weekend we can see an uptick on that one as well. So currently, Bitcoin and Ethereum are literally trading flat. In the past 24 hours, they've made about a 0.16 and a 0.11% downward trend, which is pretty much nothing. Ethereum still at the 44 or 4,500 area. Bitcoin still at the 61,000 area, but we do see some other bigger coins that are making a nice move, like Binance, which is up about 9.3% right now at over 100 billion market cap, which we haven't seen in a while on this coin. Solana pretty much flat as well, down about 1%. We see some other movements down here, like Shiba Inu making another move on the upside. It's actually up about 22%. So we did see a huge, pullback on Shiba in the past 48 hours, and now we're seeing a little bit of a comeback back into the sixes right now, but we're still about I would say about 30% away from that, all-time high that we were seeing a few weeks ago. So here we have some other altcoins that are down about 3 or 4%, and some other altcoins that are up about 5 or 6% as well. So we have VECHAIN up 9%. We have Crypto Coin or Crow is up about 22%. ICP up 8%. Some of these momentum plays are obviously making some nice moves, and into the weekend, obviously over the weekend, we're going to be watching very closely for momentum plays. Is crypto going to be green here on Saturday and Sunday? That's something that we're always wondering. It's been a while since we've seen a movement over the weekend, and this weekend could be it. So guys, before we get into this content, go ahead and smash that like button for me, guys. Let's aim for 150 plus likes in this video. I know you guys can do it. Show some support on the channel. Subscribe to the channel. It only takes 1 second to subscribe. Turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, leave a comment below letting me know which cryptocurrencies are you buying right now. So the first altcoin on this list is going to be crypto.com coin, which is Crow. So Crow right here is making a nice move in the past, let's say about a few weeks. So past few weeks, it's making a nice move here. In the past 24 hours, this one is up about 22.8%, trading at 34 cents per coin right now. In the past week, it's up over 53%. Past month, 89%, and then on the 1 year chart, 335%. So this coin last year in November was trading around 7 cents. We saw it go from 7 cents to 22 cents to even here at 25 cents in April. Pulled back down with the market all the way back down to about 8 cents or so, which is where it was trading in pretty much February time period. And then from that 8 cents area, over about a 200, close to 300% gain has happened, but most of those gains happened here in the past 2 weeks or so. So, it was kind of consolidating here in the teens, in the 18, 19 cents area, and then boom, just in the past few days, about 4 or 5 days, we've seen a huge jump here on this one. And why? Well, because we had a Coinbase listing. So, Crow kind of just had all-time highs right now following that Coinbase listing. That is a huge thing, obviously, as more people are coming in. Volume is obviously going to pick up here. As you can see, the market cap is currently at 8.7 billion. Volume at in the past 24 hours at 1.5 billion, which is around 205.19% higher than usual. So volume is exploding, and that's definitely one of those key players, guys. Volume is a part of it. So you need volume, momentum, and different things like that, and that's exactly what we're getting right now. Typical hold time, it says 1 day. Obviously, the coin just came, onto the listing. Trading activity is 89% buy activity, 11% sell activity. So there's a lot of demand for this one, and I will not be surprised for this one to continue to run past the 10 billion market cap in the short term, especially. So this one right here is an Ethereum token that powers, Crypto.com Pay, a service that aims to allow users to pay for goods and services with cryptocurrency while receiving a cashback reward. It's definitely an interesting coin, and one that you guys should definitely do some more research on, see if it fits your criteria. There's potential momentum run right here because of this listing, and this coin could continue to run in the next few weeks, especially because of this movement. So definitely something to be watching in the short term and the long term, obviously, as well. As more coins start to get added onto Coinbase and different trading platforms, those coins are the ones you usually should be watching, because they once they start getting the volume, they could definitely take off, and you can make some definite gains. So this is going to be our first altcoin right here, Crow. Our second altcoin is going to be Binance Coin Bnb. So this one is up about 9.5% here in the past 24 hours, trading at $609. In the past week, it is up about 15%. Past month, 37%, and then on the 1 year chart, 2,000%, guys. So it's making a nice move here as well. Last year in November, this coin was trading at $28. Now it's trading at $609. Insane gains. Pretty much if you would have invested $1,000 into Binance Coin last year, right now you would be up about $20,000, which is insane to think about. $1,000 turning into 20,000. If you would have just upped that a little bit and made it 10,000, you'd be worth over $200,000 right now, which is insanity. We saw peak highs here at $690 in May, pulled back down to lows of about 250 or so, and now we're seeing it go higher and higher and higher just in the past few months, and we're very close to that all-time high area. Around 12 or 15% left until we can reach that area. So there's plenty of upside here for the next few weeks to be watching this coin. Current market cap on Binance Coin is going to be 101.8 billion, so smashed through the 100 billion market cap. 3.8 billion in volume, which is 70% higher than usual. So volume is definitely picking up as well on this coin. For those of you who are not familiar, obviously Binance Coin is a cryptocurrency used to pay fees on the Binance cryptocurrency exchange. Fees paid in Binance Coin on the exchange receive a discount. So this coin, one of the bigger coins, one of the bigger, large cap coins that is going to continue to run on higher, just as Bitcoin and Ethereum do as well. Cardano, Solana, these are like the top 5 coins right now that everybody's watching, and they're more stable. So those are the stable coins that people are, definitely watching for the long term. So BNB, number 2 on the list. And then last but not least, number 3 on the list is going to be Chainlink, also known as Link. So this one is up about 5.5% here in the past 24 hours, trading at $32.85. In the past week, we're up over 8.5%. Past month, 23%. And then on the 1-year chart, 169%, which is not much. If you think about it, compared to some of these other altcoins, 169% is pretty low in my opinion, if we were looking at the crypto space, obviously. So this coin was trading at around $12 last year in November. Hit peak here in May at $53, so we are pretty far away from that area right now, about a 50% upside. It did pull back down here in July to $13 from that area. Obviously, we're up over 150%, almost 200% gains, but it's still, lagging behind that all-time high area that pretty much all the altcoins made in April-May time period. Current market cap currently on Chainlink is going to be 15.3 billion. Volume is up on this one as well, at 74% higher than usual at 1.5 billion. Typical hold time is going to be 66, and it's ranked number 12 coin. 61% buy activity and 39% sell activity on this coin. Obviously, Chainlink is an Ethereum token that powers the Chainlink decentralized Oracle network. This network allows smart contracts on Ethereum to securely connect to external data sources, APIs, and payment systems. Now, how does all this work? Well, Chainlink was designed to incentivize a global network of computers to provide accurate data to Chainlink's oracles. There are many oracles operating today, including ones that provide price data across a wide range of assets, weather data, and location data. Now, Link is the token used to pay for, services on the network and to incentivize nodes to perform verifiably honest work and provide accurate data. Something to keep in mind is in order to become a node and start providing data to the Chainlink oracles, holders must stake Link tokens into a smart contract to act as an incentive against misbehaving or submitting false data to the network. So Chainlink, another one with plenty of upside, like we said, obviously about a 50% upside. If that was to happen, we'd be trading at around a 20 to 25 billion market cap to get to those all-time high areas, and that's definitely something that we see as a reasonable, prediction for the future. So Chainlink is going to be our 3rd coin, guys. And then obviously now what we're going to be doing is covering the rest of the market to see how everything is performing. So first of all, like we said, Solana trading here flat, down about 1% in the past 24 hours. Still trading around the 72 billion market cap, trading at $240 per coin, making nice moves, making nice highs here. Very nice to see. Then we have obviously Doge and Shiba Inu battling it out down here. Shiba is catching up very quickly here in the past 24 hours. Only about 2 billion market cap lower now than Doge. Meanwhile, just 24 hours ago, it was about 7 or 8 billion market cap behind Doge. So Shiba is catching up again. We're seeing a little bit of a momentum after we saw the whale start selling some coins in the past few weeks. Then we have Bitcoin trading flat in the past 24 hours, literally down, nothing. So it's down, a little bit, about a few dollars or so, trading at 61,000. In the past week, we're down about 1.8%. Past month, we're up 18%. And then on the 1-year chart, we're up 327%. So obviously, we saw here from September all the way here to beginning of or mid October, huge peak, came back down. Now we're consolidating, trading sideways, and then we're waiting for that next leg up, hopefully in the near future. So current market cap, 1.2 trillion, 34% 64% of the crypto market space is in Bitcoin right now. 65% buy activity, 35% sell activity on this coin, and typical hold time is going to be 76 days. Ethereum after that, pretty much same thing, trading flat here. In the past week, 1.7% on the high side, and then on the 1 month chart, over 27%, 1 year chart, 962%. As Ethereum continues to go higher and higher, we're still trading at all-time highs, a little bit better than Bitcoin. Current market cap at 530.8 billion. 16% of the crypto market space is filled up by Ethereum. 68% buy activity and 32% sell activity on this one, and pretty much the same thing as Bitcoin. 77-day typical hold time on this one as well. So they're pretty much 76, 77 days right there. Most people hold these coins, for the long term or equal to about each other. So obviously, guys, the market right now trading flat, things are going sideways, but we're seeing a lot of these altcoins either rally on the upside or go down. That's something that we always see. Obviously, as large cap coins go up, mid cap and low cap coins start to lag behind, but they recover later on in the future. So we're going to be watching these altcoins very, very closely, especially Crow. That is one of my favorite coins right now for a momentum play for the future, in my opinion, guys. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Smash that like button for me, guys. Let's aim for 150 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, I'm not a financial advisor, guys. This is all for entertainment purposes only. Speak to your financial advisor, do your own due diligence before investing, and make sure you understand the risk and reward type situation you're getting into. I hope you guys enjoyed and hope you guys have a great weekend. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.